200米總決賽正式開展啦！咁可以見到咧，我哋嘅3號航道中國南海九江咧，同埋2號航道嘅中國香港代表隊咧，其實亦都係爭持不下。4號航道泰國國家隊、5號航道新加坡國家隊咧，亦都係緊隨其後。1號航道中國澳門代表隊以及我哋6號嘅民航明珠咧，亦都係追住上啊！咁啊，3號航道嘅中國南海九江好似開始有少少拋離咗咯喎。咁啊，究竟佢嘅呢個優勢能唔能夠擺到最後呢？係咪真係可以12連勝呢？我哋睇下中轉站。
我哋呢邊呢，依然見到3號航道中國南海九江係咬緊嘅。咁啊，4號航道同埋5號航道以及2號航道分別係中國香港代表隊、5號航道新加坡國家隊。咁啊，佢哋都係緊隨其後啊嚇，見到依然係3號航道中國南海九江領先，做聲。
Thank you. There they are again, the fabulous ladies from the Nanhai Jiujiang team. They already have more than half a boat length advantage over lane number 4. So in lane number 3, we're going to have the same champion as last year, China Nanhai Jiujiang. In lane 4, Thailand trying to get second place, and they seem to be able to cling on to that position, while in lane number 2, Hong Kong and Singapore in lane number 5 are struggling to keep up with the other teams. They are trying to be the ones in third place, the final place of the podium. So it's going to be the same champion as last year, once again here in Macau. Penny.
好啦，咁啊見到咧3號航道嘅中國南海九江咧，咁咧已經一枝獨秀咁向住呢個終點進發。咁唔好睇佢住，睇住第2同埋第3先，分別喺呢一個泰國國家隊同埋呢個2號航道嘅中國香港代表隊兩支隊伍咧，都係非常之爭持得非常之激烈，3、4、5之爭。好啦，咁啊見到咧3號航道嘅中國南海九江咧以第1名嘅位置衝線，咁第2名衝線呢係4號航道嘅泰國國家隊。第3名衝線嘅係新加坡國家隊，而排第4呢就係中國香港代表隊。第5名衝線呢就係呢一個銀河明珠，而第6名衝線呢就係1號航道嘅中國澳門代表隊嘅。咁啊，非常之精彩啊！呢場賽事啊，咁啊見到咧3號航道嘅中國南海九江咧，咁啊大家都知道佢嘅實力去到邊度㗎啦。咁啊反而咧去到2、3之爭咧，就係呢一個泰國國家隊啦，同埋呢個新加坡嘅國家隊，兩支咧喺第2名嘅名次上面咧，都係鬥得難分難解啊！咁到最後嘅位置咧，咁啊3號航道嘅中國南海九江以第1名嘅位置衝線，第2名衝線呢就係呢一個泰國國家隊，而排第3衝線呢就係呢個新加坡國家隊嘅做些。
Muito obrigado. Mais uma grande exibição por parte da equipa feminina da China Nanhai Jiujiang na pista 3, uma vez mais a imporem toda a sua classe ao longo desta grande final e a revalidarem o